everyone. Kensurfs here, and we are back in the shave den with another video. I had a mail call over the weekend and from West Coast Shaving. It's been a while since I've tried some of their products, but they have something new out. And it's an aftershave and cologne, and it's a special edition series, and it's Grapefroot. And notice the way it's spelled. There we go. So it's not F-R-U-I-T. It's spelled a little different. So I know somebody, if you were going to be reading this in the comments, might say, hey, Ken, you spelled it wrong. But no, I spelled it the way they spelled it. And what it is a, like I said, they call it a dirty citrus scent, but it's got a citrus smell with some vetiver in it. And this is a whipped, look at that, a whipped soap. And I do smell the citrus. It smells very pleasant. It's on their website now. And I was glad to hear from my friend Abraham at West Coast Shaving. And I said, any specifics you'd like me to talk about on that? And he says, I just want your opinion. And I always like that. You know, sometimes when I'm reviewing products, people may want certain items put in, but he just wants my opinion. So I love those reviews. Oh, that smells good. And it's an alcohol based. I'm going to give you a spoiler. I did look that up on the website. So it's going to give a little bit of a sting, a burn, which I like. And I haven't used this in a while. This is from West Coast Shaving. It's the Deranged edition brush. And man, I really like that. And it's synthetic. Not that I need to soak a synthetic, but I'm going to put this in here just to get it started. All right. Well, I hadn't had some luck with those brushless shave creams in the past, but the last two shave creams I've been using have been pretty good. I hope this phone isn't about to fall off again. Gonna have to get another suction cup. Can you believe it? That suction cup was mounted for months. No issue, and now it flops off. So I'm hoping it doesn't. I'm keeping my eye on that. I'll have to catch if it is. Let's see. Just so you can see the brushes. All right, so I'm going to use the Captain's Choice Shave Bowl with the grapefruit in it. And where's my 50 pence piece to scoop it with? Of course, Ken is always prepared. Ah, there it is. All right, got the 50 pence piece. I'm going to scoop some out. Just a dab. Put it right into the bowl. You gents in England, maybe you can answer a question. I saw the new 5-pound note. I guess it was released in 2016. It's got Winston Churchill on one side, I believe, and Queen Elizabeth on the back side, I believe. And those, I think, are the only 5-pound notes in circulation. Correct me if I'm wrong, because of the new material. Almost like plastic, Teflon, whatever it is. Is that the only note, a 5-pound note currently out there? Because I think they're pretty darn cool. But I'm going to go down to foreign exchange at my bank and buy some if they are. Just to kind of have on the display if I do another James Bond video or something, to have some British 5-pound notes. But are they the only ones out there now? Because it's ridiculous. You can buy them from England, a 5-pound note, and you got to pay 12 pounds to get it. It just sounds a little ridiculous to me. It should be easy if I just go into a bank and do a foreign exchange. All right. Today for the razor, Gillette Fatboy. I think this is a 59. I'll look it up and I'll tell you what it is right here. I have a feather blade in it. Somebody had asked me to do that. They wanted me to do it on setting 7, and I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it on setting 2, because that blade might be just a little bit too sharp for setting 7. All right. All right, all right. Let's see what we can do. You guys have a good weekend. Went quick. I saw that movie Crawl about the alligators in Florida during the hurricane, and man, That was intense, almost like 47 meters down with the sharks, except these were alligators. My goodness, pulled a few wheelies in that movie. Oh, look at that. Yep, can smell the citrus. The brush works wonders on that soap. I think this is only the second time I'm shaving where my goatee was. Get the soap out of my nose there. Nope. No matter how hard I try, right? All right. Gillette Fatboy. Yeah, you can tell how sharp that bad boy is. Just in case. I got the Allen block. Just in case I cut myself. Don't think I've used the feather blade in the Fatboy. And I noticed I've used a lot of modern razors in recent videos, and I hadn't gone back to these vintage ones. And there's a lot of you guys are commenting that you're getting into wet shaving and the addictive hobby of collecting vintage razors. And you're asking your opinions on the Fatboy, and I tell you, I did not get that case with this razor. I got this razor with a beat-up case, and then a year or two later, I found a gent selling just the case that wasn't beat up. So I put the two together. So yeah, Fatboy is a really, really nice heavy-handled razor. Don't talk when you're using a feather around your mouth. That's my opinion. It's nice and quiet today. I hear my son just woke up. He works the 4 to midnight shift. And pretty soon the mailman will be coming. But you'll know that. Monty will let me know that. See, I'm getting comfortable with this feather blade. You really shouldn't. Always be cautious with it. You don't want to cut. Soap worked great, protecting against that feather. That's the test, man. That's the test. I haven't been into West Coast shaving in a while. I'm going to have to go in there. There was talk of them having a meetup. I'll have to ask Abraham about that. SoCal meetup. Those are always nice to go to. Not that Arizona wasn't. And one day I'll go out to New York to Pasteur's or back to the UK and hopefully meet up with some of the wet shavers out there. Well, setting 2 works great. Setting 7 might have been a little much. Have any of you used a feather on a setting 7 on a vintage Gillette? I'd be curious. What time a lot of people do is they'll change the setting depending on the pass. I tend to leave it the same. do want to try that fat tip piccolo with the other shaving head that came with it, the clothes comb. Be curious to see how that works out. I hear it's a pretty smooth shave too. Man. Very nice. Very nice. No blood. Soap in the ear, soap behind the ear. Camera didn't fall. Well, it looks a little lower than it was. I'll be sleeping at night and that stand will snap off the mirror. Hit all my razors. Razors go everywhere. It scares the hell out of me. I think it's another earthquake. All right, grapefruit. Did not need the alum block. I like it. It's got a stopper in it so it doesn't pour all over. Oh, man. Damn. Yeah, that's a good burn. I can thank that feather razor or feather blade for that. Damn. Whew. Got me good here. Whew. The closer the shave, the bigger the burn. If you're using an alcohol-based, that's definitely alcohol-based. Is that the mailman? Smell is very good though. Yeah, very good. Definitely citrus. I can't, there's vetiver in there, but I can smell the citrus. Excellent in there. Excellent. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I do hope to do another video, shave video real soon. Thank you for watching the last video, the unboxing of the Catwoman pinball machine at my brother's house. Man, that thing is awesome. I got on that high score. I think it was 639 million or something, and he hasn't beaten me yet, and he's been playing it for probably the last 20 hours. So, haha. But he will. He'll knock me off that score sooner or later. All right, guys. Thanks very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you all again in a shave video very, very soon. Good night.